development which could clear the pitch further for Aam Aadmi Party. Ministry of Home Affairs has given the sanction to prosecute both Arvind Kejriwal, the former Chief Minister of Delhi, and his former deputy Manish Sisodia. Enforcement Directorate officials confirmed to CNN News 18 that the sanction to prosecute both these Aam Aadmi Party top leaders has been received from the Ministry of Home Affairs. Now, if I take you back about 3 weeks ago, LG's office had also confirmed that this sanction to prosecute had been received, and at that point also Aam Aadmi Party had contended as to where is the paper. They had challenged the source-based leak that had happened and asked for a copy of the sanction to prosecute. Why is the sanction to prosecute so important? This documentation is important because when Arvind Kejriwal, as per ED, committed this crime of money laundering, committed this crime of allegedly accepting bribe, at that point, he was a public servant, he was a chief minister in Delhi, and therefore, under 197(1) of the Criminal Procedure Code, a sanction to prosecute is required, is what the Supreme Court had ruled. Citing that Supreme Court ruling, Arvind Kejriwal had gone to Delhi High Court and challenged the special ED court's decision to take cognizance of the ED's charge sheet. So now that this legality was raised, framing of charges could not happen, trial in this case could not begin, and delayed trial was one of the reasons cited by the Supreme Court while granting bail to Manish Sisodia. Speedy trial is the right of the accused, and if the trial was not beginning, it was bound to favor the accused, in this case Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia and others. ED wanted to ensure that this particular gap in its prosecution was plugged, and therefore they approached the Ministry of Home Affairs, and now we are getting a confirmation that the sanction to prosecute has been received. Politically speaking, how will this really pan out? 30th of January in all likelihood is the date on which the Special Rouse Avenue Court, the Special ED Court, will take up this matter again. On January 30th, the ED could once again produce the documentation showing that the sanction to prosecute has been received. The charge sheet has already been filed. The charge sheet's cognizance has also been taken. So the stage is set for framing of charges. So just 5 days before Delhi votes, the framing of charges, the beginning of trial against Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia could begin. The Bharatiya Janata Party is bound to just up the ante once this legality is addressed, and they are going to tell the Delhi voters, which they are already doing, that there is limited chance that Arvind Kejriwal will come back to the Chief Minister's chair pending this particular case. Why is Arvind Kejriwal's return to the Chief Minister's chair dependent on this? Because he is out on bail, and the Supreme Court had put 2 conditions. One, that he cannot visit the Secretariat, the Delhi Secretariat, or the Chief Minister's office. Second, he cannot sign any file in his capacity as Delhi Chief Minister. These bail conditions had forced Arvind Kejriwal to step down and Atishi to take over as the new Chief Minister of Delhi. Aam Aadmi Party was hoping that if the trial did not begin, and if Aam Aadmi Party once again received the mandate of Delhiites in the February 5th, 2025 elections, they could go back to the apex court requesting that the bail conditions be relaxed. But now if the trial begins, it would make it legally even more difficult for Arvind Kejriwal to come back as Chief Minister of Delhi.